Fever, pyrexia. Use. NIMS Tablet is commonly used to reduce fever caused by infections or inflammation. How it works. It acts on the hypothalamus, brain center, to bring down body temperature. Body pain and muscle pain use. Effective for general body aches, back pain, and muscle stiffness. Why it's used. It reduces inflammation and gives quick pain relief. Joint pain, arthritis use. Used in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis to reduce swelling and joint pain. Bonus, helps improve movement and daily activity. Headache and migraine use. Provides relief from tension headaches and mild to moderate migraine pain. Tip, best taken at the start of symptoms for quick effect. Dental pain, toothache use, often prescribed after tooth extractions, gum infections, or for toothache. Why it works. It reduces inflammation in the gums and jaw area. Menstrual pain, dysmenorrhea. Use. NIMS Tablet is helpful in relieving painful menstrual cramps. How it helps. It relaxes uterine muscles and reduces inflammation. Use. Given after minor surgeries like dental, ENT, or orthopedic procedures for short-term pain management. Note, always under a doctor's supervision.